Introduce your baby to the world of play by using everyday toys to enhance their fine motor skills. Interactive play not only engages their hands but also stimulates growth and development in a fun, enjoyable way. Discover how everyday toys can become powerful tools in developing your baby's fine motor skills. Engage their tiny hands with interactive play that not only captivates their attention but also stimulates essential growth. Through simple, enjoyable activities, watch as your baby explores and learns, laying the foundation for future developmental milestones. Fine motor skills are essential for a child's development, involving the coordination of small muscles. These skills lay the foundation for everyday tasks like writing, buttoning clothes, and using utensils. By synchronizing hands and fingers with the eyes, children develop the precision needed for these activities. Understanding and nurturing these skills early on is vital for their overall growth and independence. Play is a crucial catalyst in developing fine motor skills in babies. Through playful exploration, infants enhance their hand-eye coordination, building the foundation for dexterity. Interaction with their environment allows them to gain control over hand movements, essential for future tasks. By encouraging play, we support their growth and skill acquisition, setting the stage for independence and confidence in daily activities. Everyday toys like blocks and stacking rings are more than just fun. They're essential tools for developing fine motor skills in babies. These toys encourage grasping and manipulation, which strengthens hand muscles and improves coordination. By integrating play with these toys, we support skill enhancement, setting a strong foundation for future tasks. Encourage your baby's growth and development through engaging play with everyday toys, fostering independence and confidence. Everyday toys like blocks and stacking rings are powerful tools for enhancing a baby's fine motor skills. These toys encourage babies to grasp, hold, and manipulate objects, which strengthens hand muscles and improves coordination. By integrating these simple toys into playtime, you support your baby's skill development, laying a foundation for future tasks. Embrace the power of everyday toys to foster growth and confidence in your child. Interactive play is vital for your baby's development. By guiding their hand to pick up toys or playing peekaboo, you stimulate their interest and encourage active participation. Techniques like reaching and grasping not only engage them but also significantly boost their fine motor skills. These playful interactions lay the groundwork for future learning and coordination. Embrace interactive play to nurture your baby's growth and curiosity. Early motor skill development is crucial for a child's growth. It not only enhances cognitive abilities but also sharpens problem-solving skills. By mastering these skills, children gain confidence and independence, preparing them for future learning challenges. Encouraging early motor skill activities lays a strong foundation for their overall development. Empower your child by fostering these essential skills from an early age.